The dronefly, Aristalis tenax, is a species of hoverfly, and its name comes from its remarkable resemblance to a male honeybee or drone. This mimicry not only helps the dronefly avoid predators, but it also plays a vital role in its survival strategy. Found across most parts of the world, the dronefly is a common sight in gardens, meadows, and other areas with flowers. As one of the most efficient pollinators, the dronefly is essential to many ecosystems and contributes to plant biodiversity. Physical characteristics: a dronefly's physical appearance closely resembles a honeybee, though it is harmless and does not sting. Size: droneflies are about the size of a honeybee, typically measuring 10 to 14 millimeters in length. Coloration: their body is covered in fine hair, similar to bees, and they have a yellow and black banded abdomen, further adding to the bee-like appearance. The thorax is shiny and dark. Wings: like all flies, droneflies have only one pair of wings, but their flight behavior is quite agile, allowing them to hover in place and dart quickly between flowers. Eyes: they possess large, compound eyes that provide them with excellent vision, essential for spotting flowers and avoiding predators. Behavior: droneflies exhibit a range of behaviors that mimic bees, such as their hovering flight and attraction to flowers. They are often seen hovering over flowers, sipping nectar, and in doing so they pollinate plants just as bees do. Pollination: droneflies are frequent visitors to a variety of flowers and are effective pollinators, transferring pollen from one flower to another as they feed on nectar and pollen. They play an important role in the pollination of crops, wildflowers, and garden plants. Mimicry: their bee-like appearance helps protect them from predators such as birds and other larger insects. By mimicking a bee, they discourage predators who fear being stung. Larval stage: rat-tailed maggot. The larval stage of the dronefly is unique and very different from its adult form. Dronefly larvae are commonly known as rat-tailed maggots due to their long, tail-like breathing tube. Habitat: the larvae live in stagnant water such as ponds, ditches, or even polluted water sources. They feed on decaying organic matter in the water. Breathing tube: the long rat-like tail is actually a breathing tube that allows the larvae to survive in oxygen-poor environments. The tail extends to the water's surface, enabling the maggot to breathe while it remains submerged in the organic material below. Metamorphosis: after several weeks of feeding and growing, the larva pupates and eventually emerges as the adult dronefly. Feeding habits: adults. Droneflies are primarily nectar feeders. They visit a wide variety of flowers, including daisies, dandelions, clover, and many other wild and cultivated plants. In addition to nectar, they may also feed on pollen, providing them with protein. Larvae: the rat-tailed maggots feed on decaying organic material in stagnant water. This diet helps break down and recycle nutrients in their aquatic environment. Life cycle: droneflies undergo complete metamorphosis, progressing through 4 life stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Eggs: female droneflies lay eggs in or near stagnant water, where the larvae will have access to decaying organic matter. Larvae: the larval stage, the rat-tailed maggot, lasts for several weeks. During this time, the maggot feeds and grows, using its tail-like breathing tube to survive in low-oxygen water. Pupation: once fully grown, the larvae leave the water and pupate in a drier area. This stage lasts about 1 to 2 weeks, after which the adult dronefly emerges. Adults: the adult dronefly lives for a few weeks to a few months, during which time it feeds on nectar and mates. Females will then lay eggs, completing the cycle. Ecological importance: droneflies play a significant ecological role due to their dual function as pollinators and as agents of decomposition in their larval stage. Pollinators: droneflies are essential pollinators, especially in areas where bee populations are declining. They help maintain plant biodiversity and agricultural productivity by pollinating flowers and crops. Decomposition: in their larval stage, droneflies contribute to the breakdown of organic matter, helping to clean up decaying plant and animal material in aquatic environments. The dronefly is an example of nature's remarkable mimicry, where an insect has evolved to resemble a more dangerous species for protection. Beyond this clever disguise, droneflies are vital members of many ecosystems, contributing both as pollinators and recyclers of organic matter. Their presence is a reminder of the complexity and interconnectedness of life in both terrestrial and aquatic habitats. Thank you for watching, you guys.